Vince, when you brought your son to the Morey Corporation, so I think you're really well qualified to answer this question. If a young person they were looking to build a career, and it's the beginning perhaps, or they've had a job or two, and they're thinking about coming to the Morey Corporation, what is it that you would tell them to say, yeah, you should pursue that, or something else?
Right. And when I thought about that, Dana, I think about what was important to me when I was at that age and where I wanted to go and the values and the career goals and aspirations. And what I told my son was, if you want to be a part of something, if you really want to be a person in a vehicle that is going to create and make change, then you will not find a better opportunity. And as a young person who's just starting in their career, a couple years, 3, 4, maybe even 10 years, you want to be a part of something. Everyone wants to be on a winning team. To me, there's no greater joy. Winning covers a lot of things. Well, the one thing it covers the most, self-esteem, self-pride, just knowing that you did your best and you see that it had an impact on the organization. And most importantly, the organization pays it back by rewarding you with recognition and honor and trying to make your life fit into the work life. And to me, I couldn't ask that path for anyone that I loved better than this. And, that's why I told my son about this, because I just truly believe that as a person starting in their career a few years out of school, I don't think you could find a better place.